Hello everyone. Today we will be solving exercise 12.1, that is from the chapter of LPP. The first question. The first question goes like this, as you see on the screen. Solve the following linear programming problems graphically. See, all these problems have to be solved by graphical method as we have discussed in the class. So first they have asked maximize z is equal to 3x plus 4y subject to constraints x plus y lesser than or equal to 4 and x and y greater than or equal to 0. So let's continue. The solution goes like this. The objective function which we must concentrate on, that is maximize z is equal to 3x plus 4y. Identifying the objective function is the first main important thing. Then looking at the conditions or constraints given to us. There is only one important constraint that is particularly for this problem, that is x plus y is less than or equal to 4. This is pertaining to this problem. But the next two constraints are standardized constraints that will be given for all the problems, because we are talking about real life problems which are all non-negative values. So x and y both are non-negative, means greater than or equal to 0. So three constraints are given in this case. So how do we solve? First we will take that constraint that is given to us, x plus y lesser than or equal to 4. We convert the inequality into an equation, that is x plus y equal to 4, to identify where the line lies, so that we can judge by looking at the line all the points in the feasible region. So first what we will do is we will take that x plus y equal to 4 equation. We will put x is equal to 0, as you can see in the circle on the left side, that oval shape. If x is equal to 0, automatically the equation becomes y is equal to 4. So when x is 0, y is equal to 4. We tabulate it in the tabular column, where x is, you can see x is 0, y is 4. Next what we do is to find the intercept on the y axis. What we do is put y is on the x axis we put y is equal to 0. So look at the circle in the right side, y is equal to 0. So what happens there is the equation becomes x plus 0 is equal to 4. This implies x value is 4. So we get a new point, that is 4 comma 0, where y is 0. So in the tabular column we have found now 2 points. We get, you can see in the rectangular box, that 2 points, one is 4 comma 0, another one is 0 comma 4. So these 2 points, let us tabulate them, or let us mark them, plot them on the graph. So considering those 2 points, if we plot them on a graph, the graph looks somewhat like this. So you see now there are the points A, that is 4 comma 0, and B 0 comma 4, and we also know that the two constraints, standard constraints given to us, that is the non-negative constraints, means x and y should be always positive, means we are talking about the first quadrant only. We should not concentrate on second, third and fourth. So we are landed up with one polygon, that is the simplest form, that is triangle here, because all the points which lie on the left side of the line x plus y equal to 4, the equation, the inequality we had considered as an equation to find out the boundary line. So the line we got, all the points on its left side we have to consider, but we have to forego the second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant, which brings us to the result of this triangle. This triangle is called as the feasible region. Now the corner points are nothing but the vertices of the feasible region. What are the vertices of this triangle? Obviously O, A and B. So the values of O, A and B will be taken as the corner points. These 3 points will be taken corner points, and we will substitute the respective x and y values in the given objective function, which we will be trying next. So here look at this tabular column. On the left side you have the corner points, that is 0 comma 4, 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 0. These are the values, and these x and y values we substitute in the objective function required. Which was objective function required? Z is equal to 3x plus 4y. In the right side we will supply the values of x and y respectively. See, in the first point 0 comma 4, x is 0, so 3 into 0 is 0, 4 and y is 4, so 4 4s are 16, so z value is 16. So the value of z for the first point is 16. For the second point, x is 4 and y is 0. Please substitute the values. We get 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12 and 4 zeros are 0. So the answer is 12. Z value is 12, and the third very obvious answer is 0, because origin has both x and y 0. So 3 zeros are 0 plus 4 zeros are 0. The total answer is 0. They have asked us to maximize the value. Compare all the 3 points available here and guess which is the highest. Obviously 16. So that is the optimal value or the maximum value for this function. So here we see the maximum value 16. So where is the maximum value found? At the point 0, 4, and that what is the maximum value? That is 16. Okay, thank you.